Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monese, a digital banking app that's been making a lot of waves lately. I've been using Monese for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. So, in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, is Monese a digital bank? And I'm also going to be giving you a full review of Monese and telling you about all of its features. What is Monese? Monese is a digital bank that offers a range of banking services, including a current account, a debit card, international payments, savings pots, budgeting tools. Monese is available in over 30 countries, and it's used by millions of people around the world. Is Monese a digital bank? Yes, Monese is a digital bank. It doesn't have any physical branches, and all of its banking services are available through its app. What are the benefits of using Monese? There are a number of benefits to using Monese, including it's free to join and use Monese. You can open an account in minutes. You can get a debit card that you can use anywhere in the world. You can make international payments easily and cheaply. You can save money in pots. You can use budgeting tools to track your spending. What are the drawbacks of using Monese? There are also a few drawbacks to using Monese, including Monese doesn't offer as many features as some traditional banks. Monese doesn't have as many ATMs as traditional banks. Monese customer service isn't as good as some traditional banks. Is Monese right for you? Monese is a great option if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and convenient way to bank. If you're a frequent traveler, or if you need to make international payments, Monese is also a good option. However, if you're looking for a bank with a wide range of features, or if you need excellent customer service, Monese may not be the right choice for you. Monese is a great digital bank that offers a range of features at a competitive price. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to bank, I highly recommend Monese. Thank you for watching.